The Internet of Things is one of the most important technologies of the coming decade. With billions of new devices coming online by 2020, the challenges and opportunities that come with it are immense. We at Eduonix are always at the forefront of creating cutting-edge learning programs that help professionals get ready for the challenges of the future. Our latest IoT e-degree program is one of the most challenging projects ever. This program will cover both the software and hardware concepts that embodies IoT. It'll teach you to build scalable IoT architecture, secure them from threats, and build solutions to handle user privacy. This comprehensive program will cover real-life IoT project development. The program comprises of multiple modules, such as IoT with Raspberry Pi, IoT architecture, IoT security, and much more. The program is designed to help anyone become a complete IoT professional from the ground up. Support our campaign and help us bring this product to life.